Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own Apple ID. So basically, we're creating an Apple ID or an account on Apple. Okay, so don't be afraid if I'm not using a phone or a tablet or any mobile devices because technically they are the same process. You can use your computer, you can use your phone, you can use tablet, even your MacBook, okay? And by the way, I just want to let you guys know that I'm using currently is Microsoft Edge. If you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, even Mozilla Firefox is still there, that's perfectly fine, okay? So let's get straight to it. Open your browser of your choice and just search Google first. Now, once you're on this landing page of Google, just type in create Apple ID. Simple as that. So click the very first result right there. It says how to create Apple ID, right? If you click on this one, it will teach you how to create one using your iPhone, iPad, but we don't need that. So from here, just gonna go back again, and create Apple ID. And from here, this should be the one that you should click. This should be the landing page that you're on. It's gonna be appleid.apple.com/account. This is the most important part, /account. And then just basically fill out the things here. For example, first and last name, the United country or region, birthday, of course. Now the most important part right here is your email. Okay, make sure you choose a valid email, a password, and confirm password right there, and then just click on continue. Basically, that's how you create an Apple ID using your PC, even the same process using your mobile devices. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.